Hi, my name is Steve Alford, and I'm applying for the Seaman STEM Academy this summer. And I'd like to give you just a brief tour and tell you a little bit about my school. I teach at Morgan County Career and Technical Center, which is located in Morgan County, Tennessee. I teach machine technologies and robotics. And I'd like to give you just a simple tour of my room, if I could right now, and show you some of the technology that we have and that we're applying. If you go over here, we have a 3D printer. And here's a few examples of the things we've printed on our 3D printer. We use Mastercam to make our files from. We make solid models out of them, and then we're able to print them on our printer and clean them up with our deburr system over here. Follow me. As we move around the room, here's some of the guys who are working on our robots in our robotic class. As you can see, we try to do some really neat things with our robotics, but we're in a kind of the infancy of the robotics as we know it, and would like to grow this. And this is part of what I'm doing as a teacher. I'd like to get my students involved in the FIRST Robotics competitions and/or more of the VEX Robotics competitions. As you can see, these guys are working on a couple of pretty good robots right now. Okay. Next, I'd like to tell you about Mastercam. Mastercam is one of the leading cam packages in the country, and we're fortunate to have 14 seats here. As you can see, Clark is working on a design for a simple part we'll build in our shop. This is called a vice stop. He's been doing a little bit of work, changing some dimensions and stuff. You move over, Darren is showing how the cam product works, and this is a simulation package that we have where we can actually take this down into our shop lab and actually manufacture and machine this part. We've actually made this part already. This was a part that we made for one of the shop teachers who needed a new brake lathe piece, and we manufactured this for him. If you move on over, you'll see that Roy's working on developing a toolmaker's vise, and he's using Mastercam to work on his vise. He's going to show you how he's able to move the vise jaws back and forth, and how we're able to use this in our CNC machine, and we're able to simulate where the part would actually be. This is BA. He's working on our desktop mill. The mill is here for our students in the room to get actual hands-on experience. We're able to program this mill, load it, and actually run parts. BA is showing you part of what we're going to do. He's getting ready to make a setup. He just finished getting his vise indicated in and getting ready to set up. I'm not going to turn this on. It's very loud and we won't be able to hear if I do. Thank you, BA. One of the other things I'm privileged to have is a robotic arm. You see two of our young ladies here, Megan and Katie, have been working on the program, and they're troubleshooting their program at this time. Is it doing what you expect it to do? Mm-hmm. Okay. These two young ladies are in the very basics of starting to learn how to program their steps for the robotic arm. Go ahead and home your robotic arm. There you go. And we'll get you started back. As you can see, I have some technologies now. As far as STEM goes, we're in our infancy, and for me to be able to come to this STEM Academy this summer would be a great plus for me. Our community is kind of a disadvantaged community, and that 52% of our students are on free or reduced lunch, and it'd be an awesome opportunity for me and or any other educator to be able to come and take part in this so I could bring something new and exciting back to my students. Thank you for taking a tour with me. I hope that you will consider me for this position.